everybody. The reason why I don't have an intro is because, like, I'm really laggy. And I'm not that, I'm kind of laggy. And why isn't the audio? I'm sorry. Are you trying to buy this as a jailbreak? Yeah, it is. It's jailbreak. But guys, this is the new Royal High. They have cars, new hairstyles, a lot of new hairstyles, really pretty things. This is Earth, and there's more coming. So this is a great day. So this is pretty much going to be a really short video and stuff. But I really like it, and we might do a little on it when it gets a new update, which is right now. But I have my earbuds in, so you probably can't hear. I'm sorry. But this is Sashi, and this is Wolvie. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna show you the new outfits and stuff right now. So let's go to my hairstyles. So the first new one is this. It's a really nice ponytail with a red. It's all red. That's not my natural hair color, but like the good thing where I would do when be getting out of the water. This is a longer version of this one. This is like when you have really long hair, 2 bucks something. I don't like how it's just bald though. That's not so extreme. But let the people do what they want to do. And by the way, the creator of this game's name is Barbie. And the reason why she's doing this, if you collect 2 figures, you will get a ring and another one, because this week is her wedding. And I just wanted to say, congratulations, Barbie! So, yeah. 2 big piggy tails, some little ones, humongous piggy tails, some more little ones. There's one like this one. I'm sure all of you just checked out the update, but it's awesome. This is a Sailor Moon one. You can have her hair color all white. This is actually my natural hair color, guys. Then we have this one that I was just wearing. It's a bun head, is what I'll call it. Okay. This one's like an 80s one. General. So I'm going to put on this one. Then for my outfits, there's a ton of new outfits. There's this one. Royal Highland. Let's take off my skirt. It's this outfit with this Royal High cheerleading outfit. These are all cheerleaders. There's this China one too. I'm just gonna probably show them off. Some of these you will need shirts with. Oh yeah, I have to send a picture to my BFF right now that's on the phone. Okay. I'm sending you a picture. Instagram. But guys, please follow me on Instagram at ChocolateLab2RB. Bless. She just sneezed. I didn't just randomly just say bless you. I really like this one. Some of these are really scandalous. Did I just hear pew pew? these are all different colors of the same one. Blue, pink, and then this is Num Num's one. We're almost to the end. Guys, I just finished my modern mansion, so be careful because I'm probably gonna post from that, giving you a tour and then a role play because I love my fans. Comment down below what my fans should be called. Yes. But guys, I got obsessed with Paris. Like, have you seen how cute parrots are? Like, if you see a parrot in this, please get Instagram and then just send it to me, and I love you. I'm sorry. I love parrots. My favorite probably has to be like this one. So, okay. So this is, oh, but parrots! This is parrots. So guys, that's pretty much it. So have a good day. If you're sick, please feel better. And if it's your birthday today, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! And I just wanted to say, follow me on Instagram. And please, 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 sure to not be like me, that's a nervous wreck 24/7. Okay? Bye!